lake, and you can row boat over there.
Really?
So what happened? Did the lake drain suddenly?
Because the temperature down there is still there is still active crater down there around BVT, and three years ago the crater was very active, not like the year before.
Okay.
So the lake was changed. Before the color is bright, bright, and then after that it changed into green.
Right.
Green and then yellow.
Okay, from the
After that,
sulfur.
there are many smokes comes out, and finally the lava dome comes.
And the last time also, they have one person here. They to stop me to come. Then I give 500,000 rupiah to stop to talking and stop
Keep quiet.
Yes.
Yeah. Here we go.
and then grow. And this is the processing. Only last 3 months. Last 3 months, the bigger like this from the underground.
Wow.
More than 100 meter the lake before the deep.
Amazing.
If they're making the lava dome like this, will be a dangerous eruption because this will be explosion.
So do we think the magma comes up into the dome?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Inside of the dome, just wetting the uplands in the magma, then they will produce of the gas inside. Just wetting like that. Because the scientists tell me, just wetting time will be an explosion because the magma like this, they will going down. Yeah? They'll be making the like a camber.
Okay.
And then if they have the camber, they have the possible for water concentrate inside, they will produce of the gas.
Okay.
And then after that they have the pressure for explosion.
Right.